Thanks for joining us again as we rebuild this mobile home. I think we're going to be working back on this wall again today. This is where the old water heater access door was, and we reframed this opening, got rid of the rot. So now we just have to finish this up. I would like to fix this siding, but also this window right here, we have to get rid of it. Because of the new layout that we have in mind, we put a big window down there, and we're getting rid of this one, at least for the time being. So I'm gonna go ahead. You wanna rip this window out first? You wanna unscrew that?
Yeah.
All right, so here we are in the outside. That's the window that's going. Here's the access door that we need to seal up. Can you move this aluminum siding? I don't want to step on it.
Here's the big window.
Since the windows go behind that top metal, we got to take that little strip off. Oops, just the screw. I mean, look how filthy they are.
It's not right. Well, we know how to do it.
We got the...
Because at first we had no idea what to do.
Yep.
Wow.
Do you guys see how many staples they have holding this all together? Insane. All rotted.
It's like composting.
I'm gonna put it right here in the middle. That's a good spot to start.
Yeah.
I decided to put a full 2x4 in the wall because we have a pretty long span and there's not going to be a window here that used to have 2x4s next to it. So I just wanted to give the wall some extra reinforcement on this long span so we're just not relying on 2x3s. This should stiffen the wall up a bit. We just got a couple of more small furring strips to attach in here. And then we're going to be ready to get the siding on. So let me get these attached where they need to be. These furring strips, we're using a combination of metal brackets and face screwing, just depending on which ones we can get to. Some of them are hard to get to. Or like this, they're going to be hooking to the side of the stud. So we can just use a bracket. Now, luckily for us, we can still buy the matching siding that's on this home. So we picked up several sheets of this because we knew we'd need it to repair and patch up different places. So we're gonna go ahead and start getting these cut down to length, get them ready to install. I'm gonna start by just trying to score and snap it with a knife and see how that goes with cutting the aluminum. I'm going to start by just cutting through the folds here.
That was dead.
Was it loud?
Yeah.
Let's put it on about where the thing is, just so I have a pressure point.
Yep.
And let's just see if it folds. Yeah, it's kind of hard with the ribs. Okay, hold it, don't let it down. Okay, down. Let's go down with it. Hold on, hold on.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay. Wait.
Cool.
We did it. This is kind of neat siding though. I think we're just about ready to take off this old crusty siding and put up the fresh stuff. A few more screws. I think we have it all laid out right. You got those screws ready, or are they in the bus still? I guess it is.
The bottom is blank. You have to go more. Yeah, the bottom.
One panel done, got it screwed in, had a little bit of trouble getting it level. I'm afraid that when I bent the metal to break it, maybe we flattened out one end and made one end a little wider than the other. I won't do that next time, I'll do something different. Hey, these are a lot wider than the old ones.
Or what?
wider.
Now the old screws I'm taking out, they're rusty, they're nasty, and they're just plain old screws. The new ones I'm putting in, we decided to upgrade and do a small roofing screw. And these are the same size as the siding screws, but they come with the rubber gasket. They're gonna water seal the siding. And not only that, but they're coated in a rust resistant finish. So these should hold up a lot better than the old screws did. Now I'm gonna start working on the last little section, and that is this access door. We're gonna do a new full piece, top to bottom in here. There. For right here. And one more for the top. Now this last little piece we were able to salvage from one of the pieces we just took off. And I could rip a little piece. And I was able to rip a strip that should fit right in here. And the way this aluminum siding works, there's actually a folded edge that creates a little groove. There's a little slot in there. And when you put each piece up, they kind of slide into that groove. You tuck it in all the way, and it locks them together and creates a somewhat waterproof seal. Right now, this last section, the way they had it done on the house, they had the siding opposite of each other, so there's two grooves, and we're going to tuck this one right into both of them. It might be a little bit wide at the top, so it's going to make it a little loose, but I think it looks good. I'll go ahead and get that screwed in. Well, one more job done. That's looking really fresh. Hopefully someday the whole house looks like that, fresh and clean. We're gonna get everything else washed off later on when we're ready to paint. It'll make a lot more sense to do all this work now and then clean whatever needs cleaning right before painting so that the surface is ready to accept the paint. If we cleaned the siding now, we'd be wasting our time because, you know, it'd be a nice effect, but look at how much siding we've replaced here, and we're going to be doing that in a couple other spots. And then also, you'd probably have to clean the house again by the time we were ready to paint. So let's get all the siding work done first, and then we'll clean. And I know it seems like a shame to get rid of windows, but it is part of the plan. We are going to add windows. We're going to take away windows. There's going to be another window down here later on. We're going to definitely add more light to the house, but we just have to rearrange things. So be patient with us as we work through each of these steps and get everything lined up where everything works better. Well, here it is from the inside. Again, another transformation taking place. And while we have some touch-up work to do on the outside of the house, screwing in both the bottom and top of the panels, we can call the inside here finished on this side.
Yep.
That's awesome. Floor, walls, everything looking good and done. So I guess that's all we have for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.